Hop into the 2019 Honda CR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, power liftgate. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.